Imagine that you are on a boat. You are floating on lovely warm water. Lie down on your back. Bring your knees up to your chest and let your head lie on the ground. Hold onto your knees with both hands. Give your legs a hug and hold them tight. Your back is the bottom of the boat. The boat is going to move a little bit through the water. Move gently back and forth or from side to side. You can also make little circles. Feel how it massages your back. Sometimes part of your back is more sensitive than normal. While you're moving, feel where the sensitive places are and give them attention by moving over them gently. Make sure you don't hurt yourself.